What's up, YouTube? This Rage Royal TV back with another video about the i12 TWS earbuds. And in this video, I'm going to be pairing my i12 TWS earbuds to my LG Android device. Okay, but now, when you start out, first you want to take the left earbud out first. And by the way, these earbuds have never been paired to this device before, so I might have to search for them, and they should pop right up at the bottom. By the way, they should blink and stay on while you're searching. See, i12, they pop right up. Watch how they connected. Now, sometimes one earbud might turn off like that, or they both might seem like they turned off. But what you want to do is, you want to go play some music and test them out right quick, you know what I'm saying? Okay, just click on anything. This is my mama phone, by the way, so I'm just testing them out. Okay, turn it. So they playing. Hold up. Let me check if they're playing out of both. Okay, so the music just paused. Stop playing. So they disconnected and turned off. So if this happens, what you want to do is go back to the Bluetooth. Disconnect them from your Bluetooth device. Unpair everything else. Hold on. Turn off the Bluetooth real quick. Turn it back on. Like, unpair everything else. Okay. Okay, turn the Bluetooth back off. Turn it back on. Now, go to the earbuds. Pop them back in the case right quick, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to just turn them on and they just turn right back off, you know what I'm saying? Hit the button on the back of the case real quick, so it can have them already ready and turn it on. So pop them right out the case, you know. Search them real quick on this phone. Come on. Bam, there they go. Say connected to media on here. Hold up, let me kind of see, but they might say device disconnected sometimes. They perfectly playing though. You know if you can kind of hear that. What about now? And I can stop the music with the earbud. Check this out. Hold on. Pausing. What you want to do is slide your finger gently on there. Pause. Hold up, let me clean out my camera. Clean out the lenses for y'all a little bit. Okay. Unpause. Hold on. Lens is kind of fogged up a little bit. Alright. Now pause again. Unpause. Pause. Turn the volume up. Well, I forgot. It only tells you the sound on the inside of the earbuds, but I'm going to try to double tap for the left earbud and see whether it turn the volume down. See? I turned the sound up even higher. And by the way, these earbuds are more louder and effective when you play music from your phone, from your device that's already downloaded, than playing from apps like SoundCloud and YouTube. That would be kind of low. But you want to keep these away from water. You want to make sure that those little holes are clean. These holes right here on the sides. People keep asking me about, like, where are the holes. I keep mentioning in the comments on my last video. And also, when you want to put them back in the case and you're done with them, you don't have to just, disconnect them or none of that. Just put them back in how you got them out. Left earbud first, right earbud. Pop them in the case. Hit the button on the back. I have my cord over here. Sorry, guys. My cord for when I charge them. When I want to charge my case, I pop them inside of my Xbox 360 console. But you also can use any kind of other power cord adapters or chargers to connect to these devices to charge them or whatever that goes to your phone. But if you guys have any other questions that's coming in this video and ask me or anything like that, I will always, be open and ready to answer questions. And, like this video and view and subscribe, guys. More coming soon. I don't know if it's always going to be about the TWS i12 earbuds, but I will personally try to get more and other devices to do more videos. But Rage World TV out. Enjoy.